Hi, this is Jeanie Shea, your Hoover Realtor. Today we are going to be talking with Mr. Thompson, who is with the Hoover City School Transportation Department. Let's get right to it. Mr. Thompson, I understand you are one of the many valued bus drivers in the Hoover Transportation Department. And you've been doing this for 4 years now, I understand.
That's correct, Jeanie. Yeah, I do many other things, but I thoroughly enjoy driving the bus, and it's my honor to drive for Hoover City Schools.
And I want to talk about a couple of key safety elements so that the general public will be aware of some things that you as a bus driver would like to communicate to them for the overall safety of our children. So what are a couple of things that you might want to let the public know?
Oh yeah, what a great question. And most people should already know this, but when they see the yellow flashing signs come on the bus, front and back and side, they need to slow down because they're going to be aware that that bus is getting ready to stop. When it gets to its stop or just before its stop, you're going to put on the red stop signs and the stop arm comes out. You must stop then. And don't just stop right next to the bus, stop at least 50 yards behind it or in front of it. At that point, the bus driver will signal to the children, the door will be open by this point. Safe to get on the bus, everybody sit down on the bus, everybody quiet, safely on. At that point, he closes it, starts driving. Once the bus drives away, the traffic can start to flow again, but please be respectful. Plus, you're breaking the law. If you go past it, it's a very stiff fine.
You're really supposed to be quite a ways from the bus. You are not to drive up right next to the
not
bus.
at all. Not at all. Don't crowd the bus. I
Okay.
mean, nobody should be in that much of a hurry that a couple of minutes is going to make a difference to them. So give them plenty of time. Don't ever be beeping your horn or trying to force your way around the bus, because again, like I said, it's against the law, and it's just bad to be doing that. So please be respectful. The bus drivers are respectful of you. You be respectful of them.
So I have to say, you have a lovely dialect. Where are you from, and how did you get here, and how did it come to pass that you're driving a Hoover school bus?
Oh yeah, I'm from the south coast of England, small town called Wimborne in the county of Dorset. I've lived here for around 30 years. I got a partial golf scholarship to Sanford University, studied journalism there, and graduated in the early 90s, started writing about the game of golf, running lots of golf events, which I continue to do. And then about 4 years ago, a friend of mine alerted me to the opportunity to drive for the school system. It's a requirement to drive for a minimum of 4 hours, and at that point you're designated as a full-time employee, so you get the benefits, but you also have a lot of flexibility, and it's a great job for people in a lot of different scenarios.